Bruh, what a beautiful day it is. What's going on with y'all, man? It's a beautiful day out here. The sun is bright. It's kind of like breezy. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. I gotta do something today, you did, cause it'll be waste to just waste a day like this, man. You know what I'm saying? Usually it's too hot or too cold. Like, it's the perfect day. I don't see no flies. I don't see no bees. I don't see, you know what I'm saying? I don't think mosquitoes out yet. I don't know, probably yeah. But I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't had no mosquito hit me yet. Don't worry about my collar, man. Don't worry about my collar. I'm gonna get it right, man. It's real baking. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe on the video. I know it just started, but hey, man, it's just that type of day to subscribe and, you know, join the team, join the ride, you feel me? Beautiful ride it is, you feel me? I'm on the way, man. I'm grinding for something great, you feel me? Because I'm great and you great. So let's put this greatness together, you feel me? And make a different type of greatness, you know what I'm saying? Because all greatness ain't the same. You dig what I'm saying? All greatness ain't the same. But I know I'm finna probably head down here to my brother's crib, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna record a song or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. You never know how the day go, but I might just go in the studio and record a couple songs. You dig what I'm saying? You just never know though.
Well, you heard that.
You see how the sun just hit my chocolate ass skin? Hey, it's a beautiful day, man. I done seen all types of biker gangs and whatnot. I don't know if they biker gangs, but I done seen a lot of folks on bikes. Man, I was on the expressway. It was at least 100 bikes on the expressway at one time, riding down in the fast lane. I'm like, hold on. Don't supposed to be two people in the car? And I don't know how to bike shit works. Somebody, anyways, yeah. Let's do something crazy, man. My man keep calling my vlogs a podcast. Cause somebody in the comment section explain to him what a vlog and the podcast is, the difference. You dig?
Quarantine clean.
Quarantine podcast, man.
Bro, ain't nobody tell you to go to McDonald's?
Closest one to you, man.
Yeah, nigga, ain't nobody tell you to go to McDonald's.
Yeah, man, it's the quarantine edition, man. Hey, I don't care what nobody say, man. If they tell y'all status open up, close it yourself. Man, if the government come on there talking about stimulus check, man, go get your bread yourself. Get you some good equipment, man. First aid kit, man. Get you a lot of equipment, man. Cause they come. Quarantine flow.
Like I said, somebody explain to him the difference between a podcast and a vlog. I'm about to start a podcast, by the way. Y'all be prepared for that.
What the hell he doing?
Bro, I hope this gonna be a long wait, but you never know. You know what I'm saying? Headed up to this right here, you dig? You never know how long this shit will take. Man, you see what I got on my head, so you know where we headed. Back with the shells everywhere. They took up the whole goddamn thing.
Are you supposed to?
Hey, now you supposed to take it over?
Yeah, you supposed to take the motherfucker over.
Okay,
Nobody
then.
else.
Okay, then. Let's see what you about to get into. You don't know what he doing, coach. Where at though, coach?
Pee-wee.
Where you at though, coach?
Might want to back up.
Eee!
That motherfucker hit. That motherfucker hit.
That motherfucker hit. Let me load you up, Kato.
I'm nervous as a motherfucker. Yee!
But we ain't get shit for that break.
I don't even know how to properly hold a goddamn gun, man.
Huh?
I don't even know how to properly hold a gun.
Just gotta make sure you grip that motherfucker.
Here, put another one on there.
It's all about your grip.
Here, wait, put another one on there.
Uh,
Yeah. Get in there, man. Come on. Stop playing with him.
that shit fun.
That shit had me sweating all up in here.
That bitch fun, man.
Golly.
No,
That was-
nigga. No, don't put that camera back.
That was a real,
No, nigga.
Go ahead.
Put that motherfucker
that was
back.
a real thriller right there.
No.
Thriller in Manila.
No, yeah, nigga. Yeah.
They want me
Make
to
sure you grip that motherfucker though.
Alright, look. How you take it to safety? Leave it to safety. So, cock it back. Get ready. Hold on, let me get ready though.
Try. You hold it up here, right?
Don't gotta hold it too tight up here. And keep your grip on back here though. Keep your,
You know I'm left.
Wait.
Are you left-handed or right-handed?
I'm left-handed.
So yeah, it's opposite, same shit. Alright, put that thing in safety and let's get it. Yeah.
I'm putting it.
Let's do it.
Shit. I'm nervous as hell.
Don't be.
Just hold that bitch tight.
I'm trying to tell you.
You don't like
Yeah, you good?
Am I gripping it right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
relax
you
a little
good.
bit though, man.
Hold on now, you know. Hey, I'm really kind of nervous to shoot this motherfucker.
It's that first one now. That's it.
Yeah, once you get that first one, you good.
Oh, you ain't cock it back.
You did.
Oh, hold on.
Shoot it.
Goddamn bullet.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, come on.
You ain't got cocky no more.
Yeah, you ain't gotta cock it back no more. No. Hold that bitch.
It's a day. Hold it.
Jesus Christ.
Got my forehead sweating, my chest sweating. What? It's hot in here. It's hot in here. Jeez. So exhilarating, you know? I have to come back to the current range a little bit more often. Jeez. I know y'all just called me. I feel it all.
I ain't gonna goddamn go too hard. Let's get one.
Content. Hey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video. You know what I'm saying? This the first of the first, but not the last of the last. You know what I'm saying? But I'm thinking about it. How we supposed to be family? But he ain't subscribed to my channel. See? You know what I'm saying? I tell you, man. You never can find God these days. There you go.
I like them, bitch.
Hey, I want y'all to see this. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. You see what I'm saying? Yes. You gonna try to say he hit right here.
So who did that?
You did that.
Who did that?
You did that, but
Who
I
did
did
that?
that one.
Who did
I
that?
did one.
I know Pee Wee got one of these headshots.
He probably got one of them down there. But let me tell you something.
I know for a fact that's me.
No, that's me, bro.
You got the game fucked up.
You know what I'm saying? It's a whole different feeling. You feel me? Hey, you be sending me some money, don't you?
I said, my phone is dead.
Hey, your phone wasn't dead.
Hey, that's what I was
That make you feel a little better?
The gun range, I'm coming back a little bit more often. You did what I'm saying? Had me feeling a different type of way. Man, I can wait till you send me my money, man.
You know what I mean? Shit. I'm just trying to make show.
Jesus.
You about to have these folks on YouTube thinking I ain't doing that? Hell no.
You really ain't doing that. But listen, bro, it was so exhilarating. I never felt that before in but that shit had me jumping like this. It wasn't even us shooting, it be the other folks shooting, had me jumping. You know what I'm saying? Cause you don't know what everybody else shooting in there. You feel what I'm saying? When it pop, it just bang on you. You feel me? It bang on you.
That just boom, boom.
Bang on you like LeBron. Hey man, it was so lit in there, bro. It was so lit in there. I'm coming back. Trust me, I'm coming back, and you don't even know. You know what I'm saying?
Accuracy and
Wasn't
the
even
sight
recording.
to have like a scope to see what you really shoot. Other than that, I love it.
What's that?
Huh?
You talking about?
The kickback of it, you know what I mean? I wish it had a better scope, like a sight. I wish it had a better sight.
Oh yeah.
So you can really know what the fuck you hitting.
I want him to know. He talking about he was hitting the target in there. The people that were sitting next to us, they stopped what they were doing to come see me shoot, cause I was hitting that target like a motherfucker. You was out the building. You was out the building. People was in there. Did they not stop what they were doing to come see me shoot? Yes, sir. They was. That's a first over first, man. Your boy is a natural.
Stop.
I am a natural. You feel me? Hey, the temperature out here is out of control.
I don't know what they want to do.
You know what I'm saying? That Georgia for you. Bipolar, you dig? So y'all folk like this. Going to that gun range, your boy might just invest into some heat. You feel me? I'm gonna go try everything up there and see what I like. You know what I'm saying? I just don't know yet. You dig what I'm saying? But hey, we got a lot more content on the way. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. I got more content on the way. You dig?
Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe on Lino the Kid.
Don't pull these into the smoke
And
session
make
if
sure
you
you
with
like
me.
this video.
Listen. These folks over here rolling swishers. We don't roll swishers, we roll. What a backwood is that?
What?
Nope. You got no backwood. What a backwood is that?
We do not smoke that wood.
Y'all don't smell it? What y'all smoke?
That shit too harsh.
They too harsh.
I smoke them every now.
Babies.
I smoke
He said they too harsh. Babies.
Nah, I smoke that bit now. I ain't gonna lie, I smoke that whole, but not recreational. Not how I smoke.
He said not recreational. What is it then?
Bro, I smoke like smooth, nigga. That backwood shit. Every time you smoke, nigga.
Man, fuck
You
that.
feel it all up in here.
Fuck it being harsh. Nigga, it's a gamble whenever you buy one of them motherfuckers. You can't buy a single backwood. You gotta buy the 3 or the 5.
Buy you a 3 or the 5 pack. It was a great day at the range. Like I said, I'm gonna go back. It really got me excited, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's like when you, and I think I already said this, but if I didn't, oh well. And if I did, oh well. Bro, if you was like, I feel like if you at the range or you know what I'm saying, you shouldn't have got it. Just take, if you feeling some type of way or you got something, it'll take it all away. You forget everything. Once them shots get just let go, fire. It's like forget whatever happened. You know what I'm saying? It just take you. Your mind is clear. You feel me? You focus on one thing. Your eyes on one thing. But hey. Yes, sir. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video. Share the video. You dig what I'm saying? Share it because you know I got great content. You don't get content like this every day, but you can if you subscribe. Subscribe, my guy.